Hi there. I wanted to share something with you that I thought was really cool. We all saw a lot of cool stuff come out of Adobe Max this year, including some really neat features in Photoshop 2021, such as sky replacement. But kind of quietly, Adobe also did something really neat for the creative community. They gave away about 70,000 free assets on adobestock.com. So let's check out exactly how to get to that. Once you've gone to stock.adobe.com, next to the search bar, just choose the free option. And now, since I want to try out sky replacement, I'm going to search for clouds. And I've got 2,000 results that come up right away. We can refine that, however, by going over here to the subcategory and choosing photos. And then something that's really cool all the way down at the bottom, we can choose a color. So I'm going to tap into the dialog box and choose this light straw color. And now that color is predominant in most of the results that come up. And that is really, really cool. You can change this to, say, a light blue if you've got something that you want to match that's more of a clear sky, right? Or you can even switch to, let's say, lightning. And you get a few results from that. And you can clear out the color chip also and get a lot more results. Now, obviously not all of them are going to be useful. And if you really need to, you can go back into the search bar up here at the top and choose something other than free. If you go to all images, now you can include some of the paid content as well if you can't find what you need. So I think that's really a special thing that Adobe has done to make it a lot easier for us to maybe spark some creativity or maybe even pull us out of a fire on a last minute project if we need to. I hope you found that useful, and I look forward to seeing you again. Take care.